People often ask me, when did you become an artist? When did you decide to do that? I don't think there was a moment when I made a choice. I think it was pre-chosen. Human beings have an intrinsic need for a spirituality, an understanding of what it's all about, making sense of being in the world. And I think the garden is a great symbol for that. Human endeavour and imagination and creativity. A few years ago, I bought a sketchbook. I loved the idea that you could open this book up. I could draw a river, because I can open the book up and it can start with the source, a little spring, and narrow, and it can widen out and eventually go off to meet the sea. At some point, quite early on, I thought that the river would be autobiographical. You didn't turn a page over, you sort of opened the book out.
He's decided to formalise the river in quite an oriental way, and to include the spiritual interior aspects close to, with the symbols and the metaphors of bridges and boats that represent stages of his life, and the world at large nearby, but at a barrier.
In this show, I've made some pictures that are about William Blake and my engagement, my interest in Blake's prints, books, poems. I think I've been interested in Blake's work for a long, long, long time. Yeah, now this is really exciting. This is because it represents work I've made over the number of years now, and I think there are lots of themes and interrelated elements between the pictures, and to see them all in one room, it'll be really exciting to see it all together. So I'm really looking forward to this exhibition.